I'm over it. I'm done trying to use Instagram the way people have told me to use Instagram. If you're sick of trying to figure out what to wear for your photo shoots and how on earth you're going to capture the attention of your target audience using pictures, this video is for you because you're probably like me and you're ready to make a change. That sounds like something you want to hear more about. Keep on watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's go ahead and get into why I am done using Instagram the way everybody is telling me to. Just to be clear, I'm not done with Instagram. I'm just done trying to do it the way I initially started trying to do it. If you remember, we started off using Instagram and it was all about the pictures and people were making sure that all of their images were perfectly situated on their grid and all of the beautiful aesthetics, cleaning this up and making this look nice and getting rid of all of the imperfections. Honey, anybody got time for that? So I decided to just give up on Instagram and trying to use it that way. I am going to do something different to get a different result. Now, what am I going to do? First of all, I am going to make a serious change because of a few things. Number one, pictures. I was getting comments like, wow, you're really pretty. Oh, I like that outfit. And if I were doing fashion, fantastic. That would be exactly what I was looking for. Unfortunately, I am doing a level of personal style and how it relates to personal branding, but ultimately I'm trying to help small businesses look and feel their best so they can attract the right audience, leveraging their personal brand across a plethora of platforms. And it could look like so many different things. Though the way you look and dress is a part of your communication style, i.e. nonverbal communication, it is not the end all be all for how you are going to attract and engage and then convert your ideal audience. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and use Instagram not as a place to showcase pictures and my outfits, but instead of ways to showcase my lifestyle and how me teaching you how to find the intersection between your personal life and your business life can help you find a quality of life through my lifestyle. So I feel like the best way for me to do that is to use my voice. I used to have a blog, and that idea of someone reading what I'm trying to say does not get the point, my passion across. So therefore, the pictures, even though I teach my customers that your images or your nonverbal communication should definitely speak your brand message, I still believe that is true. And for those of you who want to use pictures to do that, Instagram is a great place to do that. Depending on your industry, it may be even easier to use images to get your brand message across. However, because I'm teaching you how to leverage your personal brand across platforms, an image isn't necessarily going to get my entire point across. Whereas when you can see me and hear me, you can definitely see and feel the passion that I have for what it is I'm doing. And I get to kind of share with you exactly how I'm using said image or said video to get my point across and to attract and engage the right audience. Therefore, Instagram is not necessarily going to be the place for me to try to communicate that to you, but I can share videos. Well, let's get to that in a minute. But for now, just know that I am not going to be using Instagram the way I used to. I am going to make some changes. And the first one being, I like to talk too much to just use a picture to communicate my message. Next, because I am talking to more high-level individuals who need systems and processes and need to understand how to take who they are and connect it to their business for an easier or a more ease of use in the process of delegating and finding their ideal employees, team members, it just makes more sense for me to use this platform in a different way. And so because my clients are not going to look at a picture necessarily that I post on Instagram and decide that I'm the person they want to work with, I need to change up the way I show up here on the platform. And I also find, lastly, that the changes that I'm making, when looking at them, I'm realizing that primarily I am using Instagram as a place to distribute my content. So what you will see are images of me sharing the idea that my podcast has dropped. There's new publishing of my podcast, or a new video has dropped. Maybe I am sharing information about a client who is looking to promote a particular brand. Maybe I have partnered with someone and I am putting up pictures of myself sharing those products. But it's more of a distribution channel for me than it is an actual sales channel for me. So I am, again, making a change. Now, the second reason that I am dumping it, I am done with Instagram the way I was initially brought into the platform, is because my circumstances for optimal success have changed. If you do not know what my circumstances for optimal success are, then you should definitely check out some of my previous videos. Just go to my Be the Brand TV playlist and start at the top and work your way down, because I talk about it in a lot of different videos. One of the things that is changing for me is I'm realizing that my effort to effectiveness ratio is just not what I need it to be. The amount of time that I put on Instagram putting just pictures up is not yielding the results that I want it to yield in terms of paid customers. So I have to make a change because I want my effort and effectiveness to actually pay off. I need that ratio to be a little bit better. Next, I'm gonna tell you the truth. My passion is really best shared in things like this. Videos. I get to put on makeup. I put on my little outfit. As you can see, I have a little bit more time to plan it, and I'm just kind of on a video and I'm talking. So it's all about comfort and showcasing my personality. So videos and podcasts, audio files, those are the types of content that I really enjoy creating. And so therefore that brings me to my last point in how it is I really now want to show up on Instagram, because I'm no longer using it the way I was taught to use it or the way it was initially intended to use. Again, I'm looking at what I need to do and be my best for my audience, and that is to create videos and audio files. And so therefore I am doing a lot more reels and a lot more stories, and I am communicating in real time. This is my favorite part. I'm communicating in real time with those who really want what it is I'm sharing. So though I am sharing pictures of podcasts or pictures of videos that I have published, or maybe I am doing some lifestyle images, things like that, which I do enjoy, and those are kind of captured in the moment. I'm not curating an amazingly perfect grid on my Instagram feed. However, from my YouTube channel you're watching, you can dive over to my Instagram feed and my DMs and ask questions and talk to me in real time, and I can answer in real time. Make sure you do that. Let's pause right now. And go ahead and message me over on Instagram, AF Patrick, and let's have a conversation. I know you're working really, really hard to grow your business and to find the intersection between your personal life and your business life. And sometimes you get stuck. Well, I'm here. So go over, hit that DM over there and say, hey, Anj, need a little help. How can I utilize personal branding in my business and leverage myself across a variety of platforms for a more authentic and organic connection with my audience? If you want to know, hit me up over on Instagram. I think that does it. I've covered everything. I'm not giving up on Instagram. I've just decided not to put as much stock into it, to carefully curate an amazing grid, have all the pictures like really nicely aesthetically all white with white backgrounds and all of that. No, sis. What I'm doing is I want to talk to you in my DMs, and I want to share my passion and the joy I have for helping my customers in my stories and my reels. And I want to share real life lifestyle things that help me achieve balance and help me to find the intersection between my personal life and my business life to have a quality of life. I know it's what you need because I get this left and right when I'm out. Customers, people are reaching out to me all the time to figure out how in the world can they communicate better with their audience in an authentic way. How can they create those systems and processes that makes life a lot easier, and how can they balance their personal life and their business life to have this quality of life? If that's you, hit me up in the DMs over on Instagram or leave a comment down below here on the YouTube channel. But definitely go check out all of the things I have going on my YouTube channel. Definitely subscribe. Hello, you're already here. If you made it this far, that means you love it. Subscribe. My podcast, which is down below in the description, and hit me up on Pinterest as well, and TikTok. I'm everywhere, honey. But the truth of the matter is I show up best when you can hear my voice and see my face and see all this craziness happening. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. It was short and sweet. If you need help finding that intersection between your personal life and your business life, or if you want to become the architect of your success and stop being controlled by your business, then definitely hit me up either in the comments below or in my DMs over on Instagram. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.